Hi guys.
Hi guys.
So today we are going to explore Indore. There are a lot of beautiful attractions around here. Surely we all enjoy. Bye bye. See you.
Indore possesses abundance of natural beauty along with rich historical heritage. And we all know that Indore is the cleanest city of India and one of the best metropolitan city of Madhya Pradesh. There are many tourist places around this city in the periphery of 100 kilometers. Omkareshwar, Maheshwar and Mandu are the jewels of MP tourism. We have started our journey from the famous Ganesh temple of the city, that is Khajrana Ganesh temple. It was built by Maharani Ahilyabai Holkar in 1735, who retrieved the idol of Lord Ganesha from a well where it had been hidden to keep it safe from the Mughal dynasty Aurangzeb. From a small hut to a huge structure, the temple has developed a lot over the years. The gate, the outer and the upper walls of the Garbhagriha are made of silver and different modes of festivals are depicted on it. So guys, do visit this temple and you will really find the spiritual divinity and peace over here. This temple is very much connected with the roads and in the middle of the city, so you will find no difficulty in arriving here. You are suggested to visit here in the weekdays because weekends are having and expected very good crowds. Next stoppage in our itinerary is Regional Park. The scenic beauty and mesmerizing ambience of this park allures the visitors, hence it becomes their favorite destinations to have complete entertainment. This park is perfectly managed by the staff and supported by the management to make it prominent attractions of the Indore. This park is open throughout all the seasons round the year except Tuesdays. It starts 11 am onwards and continues till 9 pm in the night, which allows thorough exploration of each facilities as well as features it possesses. Entry fee for the adult is 25 rupees and 10 for children, which is quite reasonable in its nature. The regional park is spread over 120 acres, well diversified between park and lake in the sprawling area of approx 40 acres and 80 acres respectively. Regional park is developed by Indore Development Authority with a cost of Rs 50 crores and is also known as Atal Bihari Vajpayee Regional Park. Various attractions available in the park include boating, musical fountains, jumping jet fountains, artist village, Indian gardens or necklace gardens, French gardens, maze and labyrinth, biodiversity gardens, mist fountain, lake viewpoint, amphitheatre and a fast food zone. You can taste great delicious food here, right from the snacks to all kind of cuisines at your wish. If you want startups, then chaat from outside food carts could be a great choice. French style garden provide western surroundings, cool and calm atmosphere. You must feel yourself rejuvenated in this vicinity. Generally, this park is filled with TikTokers and many couples sharing their lovely moments. There is also an open amphitheatre, which is a site for many theatrical activities for the pleasure of the visitors here. If you are lucky, you can find this is the only place in Indore providing leisure of boating within the city limits. Its establishment on the shore of lake provides great opportunities for the adventurous to explore its cool ambience while having a great ride on the boat. Various types of boats available for hire like small, big, paddlers, jetty, jalpari and motorboats and scooter as well. roaming on board in the crystal clear water of lake and observing various species of fishes and other aquatic animals along with natural beauty certainly turns you on. You can also enjoy musical fountain in the evening which plays different music on theme of musical lights. The latest attraction to the regional park is the mini cruiser called Malwa Queen. Malwa Queen has been added here and is the first in the state too. It has 2 decks accommodating around 80 people and has a restaurant and a private party room. If you are the kind of a person who does not want to do much, then the regional park along the banks of lake is going to be your thing. The beautiful lake at the regional park is fitted with a couple of jet fountains and lights which make it a sight not to be missed in the night. A perfect spot for a little picnic for that ultimate Kodak moment. Many bridges are made over the canal and mist fountain with a color light are located on some of the bridges. So guys, while taking a long walk with your loved one is really a pleasurable moment here. You can really enjoy and really love this place. This place is full and full entertainment and total paisa basool here. You will surely love this place. Next we explored Lal Bagh Palace, which is the residence of Holkar Maharaja of Indore state. It is the lovest 19th century palace of Holkar dynasty in a mix of Baroque, Rococo and Neoclassical styles. The construction began in late 19th century and was completed in 1926. Just outside the Lal Bagh Palace, there is a Malwa Mahotsav is being celebrated on. एंड मालवा महोत्सव के बाद आप चौपाटी पे भी जा सकते हैं जैसे कि हम लोग गए. वी रियली एंजॉय द लोकल टेस्ट ऑफ दिस चौपाटी. If you are a shopaholic in nature, you can also go to the Silk Bazaar just beside the chowpatty. There are many antiques things you can buy. And you have to bargain as it is the Indian market, so then only you can buy a good thing. Next beautiful attraction of Indore is Rajwada Palace. Rajwada is a historical palace of Madhya Pradesh in the city of Indore. It was built by Holkars of the Maratha Empire about 2 centuries ago. Chappan Dukan is a famous place for the local taste. Mandu is the beautiful attraction if you love to visit the fort. Mandu is having a very good itinerary and Afghan architectural heritage. Maheswar is 91 kilometers from Indore. The town lies on the north bank of Narmada river. It was the kingdom of Chakravarti Samrat Sahasrarjun, Kartavirya Arjuna and Heheya. Lately, after many years, it was the capital of the Malwa during the Maratha Holkar reign. So guys, this was all from the Indore blog. Hope you will like it. See you soon in the next vlog. Bye bye. Love you all.